welcome back to Kidbits. Today we're going to continue our journey with Kai and Bob for the search of his father. And last time we made the rocket go up into space, and today we're gonna want to look at how we can make the characters reappear in a different scene. So come with me and let's go. So like last time, we're back where we left off. We have our rocket. When we press the spacebar, because we made ourselves a little helper program, so we press the spacebar, the rocket goes into space and whoosh, disappears. So now we need a new scene in which we want Bob and Kai to reappear, and we just go over to stage, we click on stage, and then go all the way here to backdrop, and we have our spaceship right here. But if you don't have that, obviously you can just go here and then look for it. So now I can just click here and go back to the code, and now we can first of all program the scene change like we did last time with switch backdrop. That's, you know already how to do it, so I'm just gonna really quickly do that. So switch backdrop to spaceship, and now we want to make Bob and Kai reappear. The way we're going to do that is with a command that we have already used, and that is broadcast. Remember, we used it once the conversation with Bob and Kai was over to actually trigger the rocket going off into space. So, and we're going to do something similar. We're going to event and then going to broadcast, take that command, but instead of using rocket, because we don't want to trigger the rocket again, but instead we want to make Bob and Kai reappear. So we call it show, we put it right underneath the switch backdrop, and now we need to go back to Bob and Kai in order to make them reappear. So let's go to Bob, and we need to take the when I receive command. Let's choose show, and well, obviously now we need to show the robot, right? So let's go to looks and go to the command show. We're gonna move that over here, and once we click that, look at that, there we have Bob. But obviously we just don't want him to be just there in the middle somewhere, but we want to position them so that Bob and Kai kind of look toward each other. So we need to make some space. So we move Bob over here, and then, like you already learned, we're going to take the go to command, like the go to X and Y, and we're just going to place that right before the show command. Now, since we have this code now, and we need the very same code for Kai, we can just take this whole thing, move it over to Kai, and make him shake like that. And once it shakes, we can just let go, and look at that, we have the code right here. Obviously, we don't want Kai to appear at the very same spot as Bob, because if we do that, yeah, that doesn't look right. No, so we just take Kai, move him over, and then we can just replace that command with this one, and we can take that one and throw it away. And there we have it. We make them reappear. Now let's make them disappear again once more, and let's go back to the rocket, and let's click on this flag so it resets, and let's click on the spacebar again so we can test it out. So the rocket flies, goes up to the side, and voila, there we have it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time at Kidbits.